OBS. In OBS, we go to try to use an OBS. We're happy, like, oh crap, we get to use it within freaking OBS. That's what's up. We go to click on it, boom, we get this. It's a simple fix, y'all. So, of course, common sense tell you we have to close this application right here, the utility 2 or 3, whichever one you have. But when we go to close it, nothing happens. Now, keep in mind, the utility app program, it keeps running nonstop in the background. So even when you just press the X on app, it's going to keep running in the background. So all we have to do to fix this is go to your toolbar, open up the options, find the EOS utility, right click it, select quit. Now we're going to go and turn our camera on and off to refresh it. All right, welcome to my camera. Boom, boom. I just switched it on and off, and bada boom. That's it. That's all it is to it. That's all we had to do to fix it. We don't have to uninstall the other utility 2 and 3. We don't have to uninstall it at all. All we have to do is just quit, press quit in the toolbar. That's it. Just takes a second. That's all I have for you. Much love to each and every one of you guys. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.